The unmanned aircraft industry is seeing unprecedented growth. For drone operators like you, the sky's the limit. But air safety regulators see it differently. Their rules let you fly only as far as you can see your drones. It doesn't have to be this way. Unleash your drones to transform your operations with Beyond Visual Line of Sight Flight, powered by Iris Automation. BVLOS Flight helps you address more use cases and cover more ground at less cost, while satisfying safety and regulatory requirements. Cassia from Iris Automation is the leading system for safe BVLOS flight operations. Its proven detect and avoid system safely mitigates air risk by identifying intruding aircraft at range, automatically flying an avoidance maneuver, and resuming on course. The Cassia onboard system is affordable, lightweight, and small. It works with nearly all industrial drones and integrates with popular autopilot software. We understand that BVLOS flight requires overcoming complex and confusing regulatory barriers. Iris Automation can also help with that. Our comprehensive Waiver Resource Center and trusted aviation policy experts simplify the process, increasing your likelihood of approval. Don't let your operations be limited to as far as the eye can see. Learn how Iris Automation can make BVLOS flight work for you.